Check out what I have today. This is by AIXZ Global. It is a compact portable 145 amp stick welder, and I also got the spool gun. It's a flux core MIG spool gun that connects to it along with its stick ability, and I believe it has a lift TIG function on here. Yep, sure does. So look at this thing, man. Look how small and compact it is. I'm pretty sure I can fit this in the glove box of my truck. I got this to bring with me on camping trips. I have a fifth wheel that we have a trip coming up, and I hang a lot of things off the bumper. Generator box, spare tire, and a bicycle rack. So I figured if I get into any trouble on the road, some kind of weld comes loose or something, this would hopefully get me in safely. I can't believe how small this thing is. Let's go ahead and power it up and check out its functions. So we have one button. I guess that shuffles through your wire size for your flux core wire, and then you have the MMA stick function and TIG, power and error light. And this is how you adjust your amperage. So I guess it's pretty simple. Awesome. Let's go ahead and see how it welds. Well, I wasn't kidding. Just to show you, it actually fits inside the armrest of my truck. I can produce a pretty good beat out of this thing. Money well spent. Try to produce a well out of this thing. On side of the road, will it get me out of a jam? I think so. I think I'm calling this Thor's hammer. Yeah, this little thing is pretty sweet. Y'all should definitely check it out. Go pick yourselves up one.